Hi everybody, Sarah Louise here. So I just thought I would do a very quick Facebook Live just to help you get more visibility in the newsfeed inside Facebook. So if you're a newbie and you're just starting out in your network marketing career, or you're still building up your audience, then doing this on a daily basis will help you get more engagement in the newsfeed, and the more you're seen, the better. So this is part of what should be your daily DMO, and it literally will just take you 2 minutes. So you can have up to 5,000 friends on your Facebook personal account. So you should be building that on a daily basis by adding at least 20 people in the morning and 20 people in an evening. Don't go above that because Facebook will see you as a spammer and put you in what we call Facebook jail, where they will shut down your account for up to 2 weeks. So slow and steady wins the race. It's not a marathon. And rather than just adding everybody and anybody, it's not a case of 5,000 just to get 5,000. You want to be adding people from places that you actually genuinely want to either work with these people, you want to learn from these people, you want to, do business together, you'd love them to be on your team. So don't just add, friends and family and then their friends and family. That's old school marketing, which the old school MLMs teach. What I say to do to my team, for example, is get into groups on Facebook that are highly engaging groups. By that I mean people aren't spamming links, they're actually talking, building relationships, making new friends, helping each other out. They're the kind of people that you actually want to have Facebook friendships with, because people buy from people that they know, like and trust. So you have to be willing to build up relationships first with people rather than thinking of them as like a quick commission or a quick sale. You have to be leading from a genuine angle of actually wanting to be friends with these people first, because if they like you, know you and trust you, then they'll think about going to you for business rather than somebody else. So if you get into networking groups that could be anything related to a hobby that you have, an interest that you have, anything that's even outside of your business, what do you do for fun? Do you have children? Then get into, mum groups with children, get into dad groups with children. Are you into football, golf, Formula One, those kind, fishing, any kind of hobby that you're in? There are Facebook groups for absolutely everything. If you're into crypto, there's masses and masses of different groups out there. But avoid the work from home, make money online. They are literally full of spammers that are just literally posting opportunity. They're not the kind of people that you want to be reaching out to be friends with. You want to be reaching out to ones where there's genuine conversations, where someone will put a post up and then there's lots and lots of people responding. It's a high engaged Facebook group. They're the ones that you want to be getting into. Even like buy and sell groups, anything where there's lots and lots of people engaging, you can start having conversations with these people, and then it's very easy to add 20 people in the morning, 20 people on an evening. But my Facebook algorithm booster is when somebody accepts your friend request, I advise, I'm not a massive fan of copy and paste, and I don't say, copy and paste messages. But for accepting friend requests, I think it's okay to save a copy and pasted message into your phone, but at the start of it, always say hi and address them with their name, just their first name, because then that means that Facebook won't flag it up as you're spamming the same message to everyone, because Facebook can trigger things that you're doing. They know exactly what you're doing in your inbox. So if you put hi John and send the copy and paste, hi James, copy and paste, it's 2 separate messages. Where if you just send the copy and paste to everybody, Facebook will flag that up that you're spamming. And then that's when they will, penalise you for it. So by just putting their first name and saying hi, then it means that every single message that you're doing is different. And then go into their profile picture and love it or like it. And if you can comment, even better. then what that does is literally within seconds, your content appears on their newsfeed and then theirs appears on yours, because Facebook see that as a genuine friendship that has just occurred by you reaching out to them and sending them a message, and then by liking or loving their profile photo, straight away Facebook see it as like a genuine engagement between the two. And I've tested this with other people, and literally within seconds, my posts were on their newsfeed, and I've had people reaching out to me to say, wow, I was only friends with you since yesterday and you're all over my newsfeed. What's that? Facebook Gold. That's exactly what you want. You don't need to be spending hours and hours and hours in the newsfeed engaging with everybody's posts and everybody's content. It's time consuming. What you need to be doing is the people that you want to work with and the people who you want to catch their attention, go back into their Facebook profile, like and love their profile photo, send them a quick message in Messenger to reach back out and say, haven't spoken to you in a long time, you know, how's things going? Tomorrow or later on today, your post will appear in their newsfeed. So you can also appear in people's newsfeeds by engaging in Messenger. So if you're one of these people that's spending hours on Facebook liking and commenting everything in the newsfeed, thinking that you need to do that to be seen, it has the same effect if you're in Messenger. But the benefit of Messenger is you're talking one-on-one to somebody to build up a relationship, where when you're commenting on people's posts on Facebook, you're just one of maybe 20, 30, 50 comments. You're lost amongst the crowd. Where if you reach out to John, for example, in Messenger, you're having that conversation one-on-one with John, but then if you go back in and you love or like his profile picture, he's then going to start to see all of your content on his newsfeed. Yet you're building that relationship with John one-on-one. It's much, much better because you're genuinely getting to know him, he's genuinely getting to know you, and then if you've got something to offer him, business-wise or value, he's going to see that on his newsfeed without you feeling like you got to pitch anything in Messenger. Messenger is all about creating relationships, building up that trust with people. Then let your Facebook profile do the talking, and if they want to then reach out, that's what attraction marketing is, where people are seeing your post and they're drawn to you, but you're building up that relationship in Messenger one-on-one first. And then in the newsfeed, if they see something that they like, then they're going to reach out to you again because you've already got that friendship started. So whether you're completely new or whether you're a professional marketer, these tips are literally like a game changer and are very, very quick and easy to do. But please write this down in like a little notepad and use it as part of your daily DMO, which is daily method of operation. Get out of that trap of spending hours in your newsfeed thinking you got to like and comment everybody's stuff. Get into Messenger, because Messenger is where you have the connections, the conversations, and then the conversions. So I'm not here to say I'm a professional, but I'm getting results in a very short space of time by having all of these like algorithm boosters that I've become quite nerdy about. Anything I can find out, I use, I test it, and they're working. So me being nice wants to share it with as many people as possible to help you also. So please try it, and you know, comment back in this video later today to tell me how different then your newsfeed is tomorrow, and who's appearing in your newsfeed based on this small task that you do today. I'd love to hear your feedback to find out how it's worked for people. And that's it. So have a great day. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.